Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to quickly show you how to make frozen grapes. Well, it's kind of quite straightforward, but I bought this little snack pack of mixed grapes for €1 at the supermarket, and just by itself would make a lovely snack. But now that it's getting slowly warmer, it's so refreshing to just pop them in the freezer and have them as a frozen treat. So I'm just going to talk you through what I do, and I've also written a blog post down below which has some ideas. There's loads of different ways that you can actually enjoy frozen grapes, ways to enjoy them, and a couple of different adaptations to make them. You can mix in some sugar or a bit of lemon or lime juice to make them sweet, sour. You can also add a bit of jello crystals to make them jellyish, but yeah, I'll write the instructions and everything down below, so click through for that. And be sure, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button for more yummy inspirations, and leave a like and a comment to let me know if you've given frozen grapes a try and what you think. So I'm just going to open up the grapes, give them all a wash, remove them all from their stalks, and then get them frozen. So I washed all the grapes, I've taken all the stalks or stems off, and then just kind of blot them dry with paper towel just so that they don't end up with any little frosty bits on it. And if you want to make them flavored, you can do that now. Otherwise, I am just going to pop them into a Ziploc bag. So I've popped the grapes into a Ziploc bag and just make sure they're nice and sealed in there and lovely and airtight, and then just pop them into the freezer, pop them in for 4 to 6 hours, and I will show you once they're frozen. The grapes have been in the freezer for a few hours, so I'm going to move them off to a plate, and you can see they're lovely and frosty and frozen. And if I grab one and have a bite in, it's sweet. They're so much sweeter the non-frozen grapes, and inside is almost slushy and almost just like a instant ice cream. You can actually pop these into a blender with a bit of honey or maple syrup or sugar, and it makes like an instant sorbet. You can mix them into smoothies. You can use them instead of ice cubes in some fruit juice or even in some wine. It's just, there's so many ways to use them, which I'll write down in the blog post down below, so click through for that. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, comment too, let me know if you give frozen grapes a try and what you think of them. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!